today I would like to talk about legal relationship with other ASEAN countries. I would like to introduce a legal relationship with ASEAN countries. ASEAN will celebrate its 50th anniversary this year, 2017. ASEAN was founded in 1967 and its community has been developed for economic integration and growth. ASEAN stands for Association of Southeast Asian Nations and it consists of 10 member states: Myanmar, Brunei Darussalam, Cambodia, Indonesia, Laos, Malaysia, Philippines, Singapore, Thailand, and Vietnam. ASEAN was established on 8 August 1967 in Bangkok, Thailand with the signing of ASEAN Declaration, Bangkok Declaration. Myanmar became the member of ASEAN on 23 July 1997. In the relationship with one another, ASEAN member states have adopted the fundamental principles in the Treaty of Amity and Cooperation in Southeast Asia (TAC) of 1976. In 2013, 27 Southeast Asian Games, a multi-sport event took place in Naypyidaw, Yangon, Mandalay, and other main cities in Myanmar. Myanmar was the chairman of ASEAN in 2014. Next, I would like to introduce legal relationship regarding business and investment. As a member of ASEAN and WTO, Myanmar enjoys special treatments: ASEAN Free Trade Area (AFTA), ASEAN Economic Community (AEC), ASEAN Integration System of Preferences (AISP), ASEAN and WTO special and preferential treatments to Myanmar. And Myanmar has 2 bilateral investment treaties with Philippines and Thailand. Myanmar have tax treaties with Laos, Malaysia, Singapore, Thailand, and Vietnam. Regarding with export trades, we have double taxation avoidance agreement with Thailand, Singapore, Malaysia, Indonesia, and Vietnam. Also, Myanmar has bilateral visa exemption agreements with all other ASEAN countries. Moreover, Myanmar has a legal relationship regarding human rights. On November 2012, 6 ASEAN member states, Indonesia, Laos, Malaysia, Myanmar, Philippines, and Thailand have ratified the UN Convention on the Rights of Persons with Disabilities (CRPD). All ASEAN countries, including Myanmar, also ratified the UN Convention on the Rights of the Child. In addition to ASEAN, Myanmar has concluded in several important agreements with regional and neighboring countries, namely GMS, Great Mekong Sub-Region, ACMEC, Ayeyarwady Chao-Phraya Mekong Economic Cooperation Strategy, BIMSTEC, the Bay of Bengal Initiative for Multi-Sector Technical and Economic Greater Mekong Sub-Region, ACMEC. The Capital Market Development Committee and its subcommittee are now implementing the development of capital market in Myanmar, which is drawn in accordance with time frame of ASEAN Capital Market Forum (ACMF). In October 2014, delegation comprising officers from the Ministry of Law, representatives from the Supreme Court, and the members from the Law Society of Singapore entered into MOUs with Supreme Court of the Union and the Union of Attorneys General Office. This MOU marks a start of a new era of legal exchange and cooperation between 2 countries. Exchange initiative includes attachments for Myanmar legal and judicial officers with Singapore government agencies and private sector law firms. Legal workshops and seminars are held in both Myanmar and Singapore, establishing a platform at the government level to exchange legal materials, publications, and legislation to promote greater understanding and access to each other's law. As I explained, there are various treaties and agreements in ASEAN member states. It is critically important to understand these treaties in doing business in Myanmar. Thank you for your attention.